Okay, I've taken the Stewart vacuum fuel pump off the car and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm dealing with, and maybe somebody has some opinions, some advice. So on top I've got this little fill port here. I've got the vacuum in that attaches to the manifold suction, and I've got the inlet in for the goes down to the gas tank. I've loosened everything up just to make it easier. I pull that off, pull this off, take the top off. Now there are two springs that go here, and I do have them. I just didn't have them in. Okay, gasket. Not sure if it's necessary. Doesn't seem to be airtight around here anyways, since this canister inside seems to be the airtight piece. Now, if I pull this out, it comes out pretty easy. Sorry, trying to do my best to keep you in frame. Sorry, technical issues here. Okay, pulling this out, canister inside. Well, let's see what the tank looks like inside. And you can see, not too bad. It could definitely stand to use some additional cleaning, but overall, no gunk. Not too bad. Okay, here's the interior canister. Here's the drop valve on the bottom. Again, two ports on the top. I've taken out all of the screws on the bottom already. I'll just loosen up that last one. These had been in, these had been tight. Just take that out. Save it over here. And drop this can out. And you can see what I'm dealing with. Take a look at the can first. And again, not too bad, but could definitely use a polish on the inside. Here is the mechanism we're looking at. Corks, assume corks fill up, gas fills up, or something happens that opens up this bottom valve here. There's no spring on there, and I don't see any hook to connect the return spring to. There's no springs inside either. I don't know if that's right or not, but as you can see, gravity forces the corks back down and the valve closes. And I'm assuming that this here, that stems up here, is some sort of an air release valve back inside this interior canister. Definitely can be polished up again, and I'll recut these corks again soon, but I just wanted to show you what I'm dealing with here. If anybody recognizes these parts, I've looked for the videos on YouTube. They're a little different than what I'm dealing with here, but I wanted to show you what's going on. If anybody has any opinions, any experience, let me know.